guys, this is Crux again from Techgear TV, and today we're going to be unboxing the colorful iGame 3050 Ultra Wide OC dual fan version. Okay, so they actually have two versions. This is the dual fan one, and they have another triple fan one. Let's start. So we have the quick manual. Check that aside, no one ever looks at it. Good thick foam. Alright, check that aside too. Okay, and we have the card itself right there. Okay, let's take it out. And it's got a warning label that says not for cryptocurrency mining. You guys can see it right there. But like I said, as usual, if you don't see it, I don't see it, no one will know. Alright? Okay. And here it is, guys. The card itself. Look at it. It's so good looking. It's small, sturdy, it's well built, and I think it actually looks really good aesthetically for a lot of PC builds. So this is how it looks from the back, the side, and from the side, there's actually an RGB logo here that you can actually change the color of the RGB in the software. The software is called iGame Center, so you can get it from the colorful website itself. Alright, okay, let's look at the I/O. So the I/O has got 3 display ports and 1 HDMI and 1 OC button. So the OC button is actually, if you press it down and you restart your PC, you have to restart your PC for it to apply. It will go into an OC BIOS mode, which has a slightly higher clock rate, but I don't think it's worth the hassle. Probably won't do a lot in terms of performance as well. Okay? Alright. Here it is, guys, the colorful iGame 3050 Ultra Wide OC dual fan version. So like the video if you like it, thumbs down if you don't like it, and then like, subscribe, ring the bell, and tell us down in the comments down below what else you guys want to see from us. Cheers.